Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. The topic of this video is why your business shouldn't need you to be there. This is kind of following up my series about how I work less than 1 hour a week in my business, how to automate your business, how to get it running itself. Lots of people out there, they love working in their business, and there's nothing wrong with that. The only problem with that is when you have to work in your business and your business would fall apart if you weren't there. I think that's the only downside to that. Let's talk about the reasons, the benefits of having your business run itself, having systems in place, having employees in place, having all that, to where your business doesn't actually need you to be there in order to prosper and grow and be profitable. The first biggest benefit is the work-life balance that you gain for yourself when you have a business that can operate without you. Like I talked about some of the lessons I learned in my earlier parts of my life in that series. Everything could end tomorrow. You could get hit by a car tomorrow. You could have a heart attack. Your family, unfortunately, something could happen to them. And you can't get that time back. So if you are, working 50, 100 hours in your business a week right now, and you are neglecting some more important things in your life, I think it's very valuable to build your business in a way that you can, give some time to those important priorities in life. Because like I said, you can't get that time back. The next reason, after having a good work-life balance where you're able to control your time, is if something happens to you, if you have an injury or worst case scenario, you die, if you are your business, if you're the only employee or you have a couple of employees or you're the only one doing all the office work, if you get hurt, you're basically out of business. Your customers aren't going to wait 3 or 4 months or whatever it is for you to recover from a surgery. They're going to find somebody else that's going to take care of their property. So I've had this happen 2 times since I've had a lawn care business. The first time when I got hit by that car in my 20s, I had a significant knee surgery, and luckily I had a couple of employees that were able to take care of the work. Because if it was just me, I would have been out of business because I was not able to do any of that stuff for several months. Another time I had to have shoulder surgery from the same accident, 4 or 5 years ago with Quiet Lawn. And luckily I had employees and we were able to still continue the work. If I would have just been a one-man operation or even 1 or 2 and the business was dependent upon me, I would have been out of business. The other situation is death. You want your business to be able to run itself for continuation reasons, like wanting your business to support your family even after you're gone. One, you need to have life insurance to make sure that that's gonna happen. But 2, you need to build your business in a way that it can be ran without you. Your wife could take over, run it. She's obviously not going to get out there and mow all the yards. So it's wise to build your business to a size and in a way that it's easy for somebody else to step in and take over the business. You have personnel in place, you have systems in place that somebody else could easily step in there and do that. So here's a big one. Opportunity for others. You are the lid on your business. So if you're a one-man show, there's no opportunity for anybody below you besides a part-time helper or a helper or something like that. The bigger you can grow, your business, the more opportunity you create for others to grow with you. So you create opportunities for operations managers, technicians, office managers, possibly partners in the business. The more you can build your business in a way that it doesn't need you, that it's self-sufficient, and that you're not needed, the more opportunity there is for others to grow within that business. It's basically, growing your business to where you're not needed is basically just a form of passive income. It's like having real estate, having rental property. You basically put all your time in, put all the systems in place. You could still collect your owner's draws, your compensation, that's not directly related to your time. You're still able to draw that. So it's a source of passive income. and it allows you to pursue your passions. Maybe your passion is growing your business further. Maybe now that you're not involved in the day-to-day, maybe you can spend your time planning for the future of your business, learning the skills that's going to take you to the next level with your business. Maybe you're like me. I have a martial arts school. Maybe I want to spend more of my time on that I'm more passionate about, and have some more time to do that. If I was stuck in my business working 60, 70 hours a week, I wouldn't have time for any of that. I have more time to spend with my kids. I have more time that I can spend towards developing myself, towards exercise, different things like that. And the fifth reason is you make a much more valuable business. If you are a one-man show, or even a small operation, with several employees, but you're having to be there constantly, 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week, nobody wants to buy your crappy job. Nobody's going to pay you several $100,000 to buy your job and work those 50, 60, 70 hours a week that you're working right now. There's just no value to it. There's value in having a business that produces passive income that somebody can invest in, and all the systems are in place. You have management in place. You have, all your different various softwares and other systems in place. It's just an easy business that people want to buy. Nobody wants to buy a complicated business that's dependent upon a very skilled owner that has a lot of involvement. So those are the reasons why you would want to build your business in this way. And like I said, the beautiful thing about this is you can get all these benefits, and if you want to still work in the business, you can still do that too. It's just not having to. If you build your business this way and you just prefer to be there every day, or be out in the field, or be the office manager, you can do that. Just build it in a way where there's room that if you sell this thing, or you do want to step out at some point, you can hire somebody to replace that role, and everything's still going to run smoothly, and the business is going to prosper. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.